Hi everyone, thank you so much for purchasing the annual budget planner. So this is the first step, is the net worth dashboard data. So in here, you can put your year-end net goal, and then current net worth, amount to goal. This is a formula, so it's automatic. And this is also a formula, so you don't have to change it. And there is the list of assets that you can put. Cash, bank 1, bank 2, bank 3, PayPal account receivable, and other assets. And you can put your investment in the next table. And then you can put your property, real estate, and personal assets. And you can put your liabilities. In this tab, you can change the name of all the assets and liabilities in the table. And in the beginning, you can also adjust based on your beginning of assets and liabilities. And by the month, you can update your end net worth goal, and it will automatically calculate it in here, so you don't have to delete or change in this part, and you will know how is your net worth grow month by month. The next step is transaction. So transactions, you can put your income, your expense, your bill, debt, saving, and investment. So you can categorize the category, and you can directly copy paste from your bank statement. And you can also change the name of the bank in this part. You can change into the bank in your country or the bank that you use. And one notice is, if you change the name of the bank in this part, you have to change the name of the bank in this part, because it's connected to one another. So once you put a transaction here, it's automatically gonna change the amount of balance in this part of account dashboard. And you can add as much as bank account as you want. If you have bank from other country, if you have PayPal, if you have e-wallet, you can put it here as well as updating in this part, because it's connected to each other and it's linked. So this is the notice. And then this sinking funds overview, you can put the sinking fund that you plan for the year. Either it's for travel fund, wedding fund, care fund, Christmas shopping, MacBook, and home repairs. You can change the goal amount and then the starting amount that you already prepare. And this current balance is also you can change. And in left to save is based on the formula, so you shouldn't change. And this monthly target and progress will automatically follow the formula, of the progress of your sinking fund. So example, if your current balance is 5,000, the chart and the progress will automatically change. If you already complete the sinking fund, it will become 100%, and the chart is going to be changed also. And this is annual dashboard. All in this part are connected to the month-to-month, monthly budget. So once you fill here, like your expense, your income, your bill summary, your invested summary, savings summary, and debt summary, it will automatically connect it to the annual dashboard. So you can see the progress month by month, the actual allocation summary, how much is your income in the year, expenses, bill, debt payments, savings, and investment. And every month you can track how much is your income, expenses, bills, and how much the total left over, as well as the progress, cash flow, and also the detail of your income, expense summary, bill, investment, saving, and debt. You can change the category as free as you want. You can change all the category, but to keep it simple, we already provide you some choices in this list. So it's very flexible and it's very adjustable. And so this is January to December, and there is a bonus tab which is saving tracker which is you can put how much do you want to save, the percentage of saving, the deadline, the days less, and this is you can track how much do you save based on the date, and you can check are you complete to save the money, let's say once a week. And there is like a saving challenge. I also tap to your subscription tracker so you can track how much you pay for subscription. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it can help you to improve your annual budget journey. So thank you so much.